In case you haven't seen it, we had a fire damaged GBT come to us for repair. Well, this is part 2. So, as you can see, the cover has actually turned up really well. Like, not too much damage, so we're gonna stick it on the lathe, polish it, and see what it looks like. Now then, this has polished up surprisingly well, to be perfectly honest. Have a look at that. Actually looks pretty, this looks pretty good, to be fair. I mean, it's not perfect. Obviously it's dull on the inside because we haven't polished the inside of that yet, but we're gonna stick it on the lathe, clock it, make sure that it hasn't distorted, and then, yeah, I think this is savable. So compressor cover's clocked, we've checked it for distortion, everything's fine. So now Jason is just skimming the back, giving it a proper polish. So yeah, savable component. We have one saved cover. Mint. So let's do a quick analysis of the remaining components. Turbine housing, Zerkotech coating has kind of stood up to it, but it's hardly white anymore. It has protected the unit, however, and this is definitely usable. Bearing housing, it's quite a lot of pitting. The damage has gone through the plating, but again, usable component. The internals are fine. Turbine shaft, this actually is in reasonably good condition still, although there is pitting around where the steel part of the shaft meets the ink canal. So that's not really usable, unfortunately. The rest of it's fine, but yeah, scrap. Oil feed components, good, good. Boost takeoff, good. Oil filter is, that's distorted inside, so we figured we probably have to replace that, so that's scrap. Heat shield, as you would expect, has stood the test of time, so reusable. And the circlip, clamps, all good.